Tata Motors is looking to slash its capex by more than 50,000 crores from what it had previously estimated over the next 3 years. And this is especially going to be in the JLR unit and the Indian operations. Now, what is leading to this? They want to achieve the ambitious target of wiping off the debt from the balance sheet of the company with an aim to achieve a zero debt company. They are looking to cut the capex by over 50,000 crores is what the company is saying. Now, the company is saying that guiding the principle for capex has moved from the willingness to invest to ability to invest. So see the wordings that they're saying: willingness to invest to an ability to invest. So clear intentions of the company is showing that they do want to cut down their debt also for the company. Now, if you go to see overall how are they going to achieve this, the lower capex will be mainly driven by avoiding investing in non-core areas, forging more tie-ups and prioritizing new platforms is what the company is saying. This is how they're going to be reducing their capex, and in turn they will be moving towards achieving the zero debt for the company. Now, the company, as I said before, is planning to go debt free, is based on free cash flows generation, monetization of non-core assets, as well as equity top up is what they may be looking at. So the capex reduction for JLR is expected to be at around 45,000 crores, while for Tata Motors is expected to be at 7,500 crores. Now, overall, like I mentioned, they'll be looking to outsource also more. They must be doing such testings, how they could actually lower their capex, and that will be interesting to see how the company actually comes forward and how they actually manage to reduce their capex. Now, last year the company had guided for a capex of around 4 billion pounds. That's around 37,600 crores. This is at the current exchange rate. If you convert it, it's 37,600 crores. And in each of the 3 years at the British luxury unit, that is JLR. Now, on an average, Tata Motors spends around 4,500 crores a year for the standalone India business. Now, these have now been brought down overall to 2.5 billion at JLR, as well as 2.5 billion pounds, at JLR, as well as rupees 1,500 crores for the ongoing fiscal year. So there is a considerable shift that we are seeing, a considerable downgrade, or a reduction is what you could say in terms of their capex plans for the company. Now, the recent indications that we are seeing, the companies made to the investor or the analysts, it would suggest that it would continue at similar capex at least for FY22 and FY23 as well, and that would result in an overall reduction of around 42,000 crores at JLR, as well as 9,000 crores reduction at the Indian plant over next 3 years. And we'll keep an eye out for what actually works out for Tata Motors in terms of how the capex plan actually goes forward, and do they actually stick to this plan, and we'll watch out for Tata Motors going ahead.